This is Austin Hirschberger doing the Module 15 instructional tutorials. The next technology that I have chosen is Canva. Canva can be accessed by going to canva.com. I chose Canva because it is web-based, it is not device-specific, it works in any browser, and it is absolutely free. I already have an account created because I have used this for a previous assignment in another course here at Fort Hays State. But when you go to canva.com, it's going to ask you to sign up for free, create a profile, and then once you have done that, this is the home screen that it will take you to. The intended audience for Canva is students and other coworkers, and the purpose behind Canva is to give students or educators a chance to express their creativeness through different platforms such as social medias, posters, flyers, brochures, infographics. I actually used it for an infographic in the previous course, and we'll use it again in this course for the infographic assignment that is coming up. It's really a lot like Microsoft Publisher. So again, this is the home screen, and these are different designs that are available, and it will also show you your designs. So if I click on this one, this is the infographic that I created for the previous course. Give it a second to load here. So there's just one example, and when you create this, it saves each of these as a photo. So for example, this part is one photo, and this part is another photo. So there's one example. I'm going to go back to the home screen here, and what you're going to click on is create a design, and then it's going to pop up over here in the middle, and it's going to give you all these different options from posters to logos to flyers, infographics, resumes, brochures. I'm going to go ahead and focus on infographic first. So if I click on infographic, it's going to open up another window here with a blank document. So if you want to start from scratch, that is an option, or there are templates over here on the left that you can click on. And there's a wide range of different templates here, so you can start with whatever inspires you. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this one and zoom in, and you can change any of the wording on any of these and any of the photos. Over here on the further left side, there are elements that you can add in: text, background. You can upload your own photos to attach. Really, you can start with anything. So I'm going to exit out of this one. I'm going to go back to the home screen here, and let's click on brochure. Again, it's going to give me a blank template to start with, and then there are also other templates over here that are already completed that can be changed or added to or extended. And again, you have all of your different options here as far as editing. The ISTE standards that I chose for Canva are ISTE T1A, which says promote, support, and model creative and innovative thinking and inventiveness. And I also paired TPAC 2 with Canva, which says candidates demonstrate proficiency in oral and written communication skills. Thanks for watching.